guys, so this video is going to be about our POMI La Classique Trinite set, and I have a confession about this. Ooh, by the way, shout out to see-through bra straps. When last have you seen a see-through bra strap? Anyway, so I have a confession. So on the back it says La Trinite Classique, and this is the actual name of the set. I'm always calling it La Classique Trinite, which is not how it's supposed to be said. It's supposed to be said as how it's written on the bag. So there you have it. So it comes in a drawstring bag, and it has our logo at the front, and these are the brushes. And as I've said before, I'll say it again, these brushes are numbered, and the number system that we use are actually scriptures. So for the PH, sorry, oh my god, they're so soft. Are you seeing that? Soft and dense. Oh my god. Anyway, so it's the PH 413, and that just means Philippians 4:13. Then we have the PS 139, which is just Psalm 139. Are you seeing how soft this is? And then we have PR 356. I really hope you guys don't hear me, because there's somebody playing music in the car, and I don't know, I can't go outside and tell him to turn it off. So this is the PR 356, and this is Proverbs 3 verses 5 and 6. But yeah, so I would definitely say that these brushes are, it holds up to the quality of POMI by Lyric. All of POMI by Lyric brushes are so soft. You can feel the quality in our products. I mean, everything right now, I'm in love. This is one of my favorite sets. This and the Dipped in Elegance are my two favorite sets, and I love this one because of course the rose gold ferrule. You guys know I love rose gold and gold, and the matte black handle, and of course the flat base. So these are designs that I wanted to be in our brushes: the flat base, the matte handle, and also the numbering system, and also the quality. The quality stands up. I have these brushes in my kit. I love them so much. And right now they are available at Fontana Pharmacy. Now this is what this entire video is about, to let you guys know that these brushes are still available at Fontana Pharmacy, and I really appreciate you guys for even purchasing, from all my supporters who are here in Jamaica, and those of you who have purchased from abroad as well, the lashes from abroad, because we don't have the lashes on our website, on the POMIByLyric.com website. And the reason for that is that we want to have the luxury lashes on our website, and we have the synthetic lashes on Fontana's website. So I kind of want to split it down the middle, so you just get wanted at Fontana, wanted on our website. So that's how I kind of want to do it. And but for the brushes, you can get them both at FontanaPharmacy.com as well as POMIByLyric.com, and you can also walk into any Fontana Pharmacy and purchase. Now I have been getting this question over and over: where can I get the brushes? Where can I get the brushes? You're having a sale. Where can I get the brushes? Guys, POMIByLyric.com. If you're in Jamaica, then FontanaPharmacy.com, because with FontanaPharmacy.com, when you're in Jamaica, you can order online and pick up in stores, and that is so convenient for me. I know, at least I just order online, pick it up in stores, or even more convenient is to actually just go into the store and purchase. So these brushes are available for purchase, and I completely stand behind them 100%, and not because it's my brand. Obviously it's my brand, and I'm not going to bring you crap. So I can legitimately say, I can unapologetically say that these brushes are awesome. I love how soft they are. As you can see, they're really soft. All of them, they're so soft. I love how it's like a yellow going into a black going into a white. I love the fade. And these brushes are vegan friendly. These brushes are cruelty free. These brushes are synthetic. That's another thing about POMI brushes, and that's where kind of I want to do the brushes, with the exception of a line that we want to bring out for Christmas. With the exception of that line, but definitely I really want our brushes to stay true to the vegan lifestyle. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's just more we don't support animal cruelty, so we don't want our brushes to have that. So I know for Dipped in Elegance, there's one brush in there that's goat hair, and that's the white hair shader brush. So yeah, but yeah, so this is called the La Classique Trinite. As was written on the La Trinite Classique, as was written on the bag, but of course I fumbled and I called it the La Classique Trinite. I know everybody calls it that, so you can call it what it will. The point is the quality that you're getting, and of course you can walk into any Fontana pharmacy stores and purchase them. Now this video is going to be very short. I'm just making this video just addressing this fact that if you're in Jamaica, where me come from, where you probably come from, or the whole you come from probably, you can purchase at any Fontana pharmacy store location island wide. Now if you're not, I always want to say if you're not Jamaican, not if you're not Jamaican, but if you don't live in Jamaica and you live abroad, then you purchase on POMI.com. And right now, until the 9th of May, we have a sale going on, where instead of paying $30 for this set, which I think is cheap, I'm sorry, I use the C word, but I really think it's cheap for $30. You can get them for $25. It's $5 off, boo. No code required. You don't have to be a VIP member. It's just yours for $25, and that goes until the 9th of May. And it's practically like a Mother's Day celebration, because you know, as a mommy, as a mom now, baby. So yeah, so that's basically what I want to come by today and tell you guys about. Just that, the sale that we're having and where you can purchase them. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you. I know it's a short video, but I wanted to come and address it on a broader platform, because Lord knows they don't read on the Instagram. Okay, alright, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video.